Hello. Arduino training sessions continue with the use of RFID technology. With Industry 4.0, the significance of RFID technology is steadily increasing. RFID is a wireless communication system consisting of two components, RFID tag and reader. The reader is a device equipped with an antenna that emits radio waves and receives signals from the RFID tag. We will use the RFID card named as C522 in our projects. RFID technology is used in urban public transportation systems, personnel tracking programs, inventory control applications, door opening closing automations, and highway toll pricing systems. RFID cards can be either read-only or have both read and write capabilities. For instance, in urban transportation, RFID cards can be loaded with credit, and each time the card is read, the corresponding credit amount can be deducted. We can see an RFID card and the reader used in urban transportation in the visual. In open road tolling applications, medium-range RFID readers are utilized. RFID cards, mounted on the front windshields of vehicles, are detected as long as the vehicle's speed does not exceed the supported threshold. RFID tags can be either active or passive. Passive tags do not require any power source and obtain the needed energy from the RFID reader. Active cards, on the other hand, meet their energy requirements through a battery. The RFID card at the bottom in the visual is passive, and it does not have any voltage supply within it. The RFID card at the top is active and equipped with a module powered by a battery. It is generally acknowledged that the energy emitted during the loading of any passive or active tag is not regarded as harmful to human health. RFID systems are classified based on their operating frequency into low frequency, high frequency, and ultra-high frequency. RFID systems operating at high frequency provide a faster reading speed. When we examine the features related to its operating principles, the frequency range at low frequencies is between 30 and 300 kHz, generally operating at a frequency of 125 kHz. At low frequencies, the communication range extends up to 10 centimeters. In the high-frequency RFID module, it operates within the frequency range of 3 MHz to 30 MHz, with a general operating frequency of 13.56 MHz, allowing communication within distances ranging from 10 centimeters to 1 meter. In ultra-high frequency RFID cards, they operate within the frequency range of 300 MHz to 3 GHz, with general operating frequencies varying between 860 and 960 MHz. With these cards, we experience no communication issues within a range of up to 12 meters. If using an ultra-high frequency RFID card and powering it with a battery, meaning it's an active RFID card, the reading distances can extend up to 100 meters. There are also technologies available that enable the use of RFID cards at higher distances. Clearly, RFID card technologies, particularly in the era of Industry 4.0, provide opportunities for us to execute projects that simplify our lives in various areas, including inventory tracking, personnel monitoring systems, urban transportation, and highway toll collection systems. In our next training session, we will learn how to integrate these card modules with Arduino and develop projects. Until our next lesson, goodbye.